Today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense. Before it, I given the lecture of present simple sentence, then present continuous and present. Today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense. It's our last kind of present tense. Firstly, it is simple sentence. Simple sentence. Simple means sada. Then see here. I tell you the formula of this sentence. How you will frame. Firstly, we will write subject, then has been or have been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. This formula we will apply in present perfect continuous tense. The most important thing is we use here since or for in such type of sentences. Again, I will explain where you will use since and where for. Firstly, see the sentence. Suppose we have a sentence like this. He has been reading a newspaper since morning. And the second one is they have been playing cricket for 2 hours. Now here in first sentence I wrote he has been reading a newspaper since morning, and in second sentence they have been playing cricket for 2 hours. In both the sentences, in first one I use here since and second one I use here to. Now what is the difference between since and to? According to rules, if we know the exact time of any action, there we use for. And if we do not know the exact time of any action, there we use since. About the point of time. Now see, where we use such type of sentences. Present perfect sentences we use. These sentences describes an action has begun before some time, it means in past, and still is continuing, and it may extend in future time. We say such type of sentences are present perfect continuous tense. How we will frame negative? Negative sentences. Negative means manfi. In such type of sentences, we use subject plus has,   ,        ,  ,  , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , day plus firstly plus ing plus object, and since are for the same way as we used here in simple sentences. Suppose now we are going to change this one into negative sentence. He has been reading a newspaper since morning. Then what is subject? Subject is he has not been reading a newspaper since morning. The second one, how we will change? See, they have not been playing cricket for 2 hours. Now, this way we will frame negative sentences. After it, we are going to talk about interrogative. Interrogative sentences. In Urdu language, we say सवालिया jumle. In such type of sentences, here we ask something to inquire something about anything. So how we will frame? Firstly, I tell you the formula of this. At the beginning of the sentence, we will write has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object, and at the end of the sentence we will use sign of interrogation because it is an interrogative sentence, and in interrogative we use this sign. This is most important. Then the same way, since or for we will use. Now see how we will frame. Here at the beginning of the sentence we will write has or have. So our sentence we will begin with has he not, has he been reading a newspaper since morning? Then have they been playing cricket for 2 hours. This way we will frame. First is see simples, then negative, then interrogative. So this way we will frame present perfect continuous sentences. Helping verbs like he, she, it, maybe a name of a person like Ram, etc. with helping verbs, helping verb has. You will remember it. We will use has with singulars, and then like I, we, you, they, and maybe plural names like boys, etc. So these are all plurals, even though I is first person singulars. With all these pronouns or nouns, we will use helping verbs. Helping verb have. So you should remember according to use of helping verbs. So this way it is very simple. Has been or have been. With singulars, has been, and with plurals, have been, you will use to frame present perfect continuous sentences, and I hope you will understand it. Thanks.